Hello, konnichiwa. Today, let's cook Reba Nira Itame, Liver and Chives Stir-Fry. Japanese foodies with Janice, bringing you easy, delicious, budget-friendly recipes. Here's our ingredients: chicken liver, bean sprout, nira or Chinese chives, garlic, and ginger. For our marinade and sauce, wash our chicken liver thoroughly and soak in cold water for 10 minutes. Then drain and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Let's remove the blood and tissues to get rid of unwanted smell. Let's wash again to remove the blood and drain. This is our bean sprout or moyashi. Let's remove the tail if possible. Now let's marinate our chicken liver. A pinch of salt. Then the sake. Sake tenderizes and removes unwanted smell. And the shoyu or soy sauce, around 1 tablespoon. And of course the ginger juice. This removes unwanted smell. Let's marinate it for 10 minutes. Let's coat them with cornstarch to seal the taste. Turn on the burner in medium heat. Let's put sesame oil or goma abra. Add garlic. When the aroma comes out, let's put our liver. So they're not sticking on the pan and the color has turned into brown. Let's cover to make sure that it's cooked through inside for about 3 minutes. And let's reduce the heat to low. Point to remember, don't overcook liver or else it will get hard and dry. Now they look nice and let's flip over to other side. Cover and steam again for another 3 minutes. They look great. Now let's add our bean sprout. They just cook very fast, and let's add also our Chinese chives or nira. Let's add sake, 1 tablespoon. Shoyu, 1 tablespoon. And chicken powder, or torigara suknomoto. And sugar. Let's add white pepper, and black pepper. You may or may not add cornstarch dissolved in water. In my case, I'll add a little cornstarch. I want a thicker sauce. That's it. It's done. Smells good. It goes very well with rice. Here you are. Let's give it a try. Tikman natin. Itadakimasu. Yummy, yummy. Saku saku.
Sarap.
The bean sprout is still crunchy. The taste is just right. No smell at all. Walang langsa. Sarap. So guys, please try this recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to see your comments down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.